let's talk about e-scooters.
You should always wear a helmet riding these. Always. These so much is they're so energy efficient and they're so easy to use. It makes it so nice to get out and just enjoy the freeing experience of riding anywhere you want to go. We'll do a little top speed run here. I'll just show you how fast this thing can go. So one of the greatest things about these types of scooters is portability. I'll show you what I mean. Easy enough to pick up with one hand, just carry it up the stairs. There are some downfalls though. This is one of those situations. Not recommended to ride scooters outside in the middle of a thunderstorm. Don't be reckless. There's pedestrians around. Slow down. Go around them nice and easy. Warn them that you're coming. Use a bell or a horn. Don't need to freak anyone out. It's all about safety, folks. But there's always something a little bit bigger and better.